Yeah, I do videos. Nice doors. Did you make these?
I got them from Russell Bottlebond.
Okay.
I just painted.
Cool.
It's 4 ZBX 15s on 2 SK 3500s and a 40 amp hour CES Lithium.
What are these wired to?
They're strapped at 2 ohm.
Okay. So you're 1 ohm per?
Yeah.
All right. Do you know the specs of the box?
I know it's tuned to 32. I don't know the cubes or anything. I've got 2 alternators, one for the truck, one for the system. It's a Beckman 370.
All right. Have you metered it yet?
I metered it a while ago and did a 151.6.
Really?
Yeah.
Nice.
I've done more stuff since then.
Yeah.
So I might meter it today and see what it does.
Okay. Are you happy with it?
Yeah, I want to go louder though.
Want to go louder?
I always want to go
Always.
louder.
How's your voltage with that battery? Just curious. I mean, we'll see it, but
it'll stay in the 13s.
Okay.
Like higher 13s.
Yeah. All right. What was your name?
Stephen Hazel.
Stephen Hazel. All right. Demo time. Miss a note. That sounds really good. It's really musical. I like that, dude. Awesome. Appreciate it, man. How low does it play down to? Just
you can do 25 pretty good.
25? Okay.
I could probably do lower, but I haven't really messed with anything lower than that.
Are you louder sealed, window down, window up? How do you?
On the meter, it does louder with the windows sealed.
Does?
Sealed
Okay.
up, but it sounds to me, it sounds louder with the windows
down? Okay. That's a good thing though, being sealed. Yeah. All right. Awesome.
I just got this USB trying to
you're good,
figure
man.
out where everything's at.
I like the way the doors sound. They're really clean. What was your? What's the amp on the doors?
Skar RP 150.4.
Okay. It's just behind here.
It's under the seat.
Under the seat. Okay. Yeah. I don't need to see it. All right. Awesome.
Never played this song. Try it.
All right. Don't blow nothing.
I think I'll be okay.
Making penny strip. This is DJ Rusticles. Look, people ask ask me what the future is. All I know is I'll be doing this. All I know is things are moving quick. That's convenient for me, cause that's how I live. Now they see me out here moving up. You don't like it, and there's two of us. So I'm changing, I can't adjust. So it's who you are, not who you was. Oh, you think that every...
Woo, it didn't like it as much, but it does play it. Yeah. Awesome. Appreciate the demo, man. Can I see the back? Can I check out the back of the box?
I can show you the alternators too.
Okay, yeah, man. I'd love to see them.
That's all I want to see. Hell yeah.
It's got the ZVXs.
I like the upward sports.
2 alternators, 1 on the car, 1 on the lithium.
And the box is made by Matt Kimball.
Okay. Matt Kimball's a good builder.
Yeah.
What made you do port up versus back or sideways?
There wasn't enough space.
Not enough space for them. Yeah, it'll be. Yeah, you would have lost. Okay. So this is your stock?
Yeah, that's just rubber front.
Okay. And then your 370. Nice. Yeah, your voltage was really good, solid 13s. Awesome. Thanks for the demo, man.
All right, man, appreciate it.
Yes, sir. Nice to meet you.
dollars. Oh, you think that every You think that every
And what? What's going on, everybody? This is JacobViral ending this video to say thank you for watching my videos. Every single day I have a daily cardio video I upload. So if you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and notification bell, and I'll see you tomorrow.